Changing the font size is easy. Actually, there's multiple ways to do it. So I want to change the font size of this header. I'm going to select all of the row by clicking here, and I can click on Format, and I can go to Font Size, and here are some pre-selected font sizes here, 14, 18. I can even go smaller if I want, and just by clicking on it, I'll change that font. However, sometimes I want a little bit more control over here in this bar that sometimes is hidden, this menu bar. You'll see right next to the font choice here, font style, is a minus sign and a plus sign, and also a box where you can click and type in a number. So I can subtract 1 by just clicking decrease font size until I get to the size I want, or I can increase it, or I can type it in. Maybe I want 20. And if I try to type in 12.5, see, it doesn't allow me to do 0.5. It's just allowing individual numbers. So even if I want a little slightly different, like maybe 6.5 or 6.6, no, it's just going to be 6 or 7. I can increase that. And it's going to be whatever range that I'm selecting. So if I'm just selecting one single cell and I change that font size, it's only changing the font size of that exact cell.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.